Hey, hello friends. Hope you're doing good. So I've been installing a couple of accessories on my bike. So yes, hope you saw the installation of this USB magnetic charger. Then I went ahead and installed this mount, which is from Bobo, which also has a quick charge 3.0. And I have also connected the charger which came along with this in parallel to the connection where I made here. I pulled out a couple more points from the uh, from the part inside here where there's an aux connection. I've connected multiple bullet connectors there and uh, soldered and heat shrinked and done some neat wiring harness inside to have spare connections for future. So with these two I have one more extra available over there in case I need to use it for something else. Yeah, so coming to the topic which I've been waiting for some time to install, that is the Mad Dog Alpha, right? So my friends, this is the Mad Dog Alpha series aux lamps. So I'll leave the links in the description. I got this from Bike and Biker. I'm going to leave the links there just in case you want to take a look at it and yeah, go about it. So yeah, this is 9600 lumens, 5000K warm light. It's IP67, water resistant, etc, etc. So heard great stuff about it, and let's see how this performs in the night. So right now I'm going to talk a little bit about the wiring harness, what I've done, right? So the wiring harness what I've done on this bike is a foolproof one. I have not pulled out or used the aux or accessory points provided inside because that is supported by just a 5 ampere fuse, and which is not sufficient for this capacity of lights, which is 40 plus 40 watts. Hence I have gone ahead with the complete wiring harness from Mad Dog. Let me show you. Okay, lifting up the seat. Let's keep the seat aside. Okay, so coming to the wiring harness, right? So I have connected the terminals which came on the wiring harness to the negative and the positive appropriately, and this Mad Dog thing comes with a fuse as well, which is this one. I need to figure out how to conceal this fuse thing, and there is a relay. If you can see, I have tucked in the relay inside this just to keep it secure, right? So the relay is tucked in between the battery and the fuse box, and the wiring harness is running all the way below the tank. So I got this routed below the tank, and it took two paths along with the stock wiring harness, this way and this way. And then I have connected the Mad Dog Switch Pro here, and connected the socket right there, and put some cable ties. And yes, coming to the important topic here, right? Many of you would ask, there is a white wire, the trigger wire, which need to go into the ignition. How did you connect that? So this particular wire what you see here, the white one, this is my trigger wire. I have gone ahead and connected this to my pilot lamp plug socket, which is behind this portion. If you would remove these two screws, you would find a plug which has got a blue wire. So this particular white wire has gone into connected into that coupler for the trigger. Okay, and now coming back to the clamps. So these are the clamps which came with the Mad Dog, rather bundled as an accessory. So I have installed this in this fashion, because if I keep it the other way, it's going to obstruct the indicator, and if I keep it on the top, there's no much space for these lights, because these lights are pretty big, right? So they are this big, the big lights, guys. So once you put these lights, you would not need anything else on a pitch dark road. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and install this, and cable ties along with, and plug it in. And you might ask me, where is the connectors coming from the harness for the aux lamps, which will go into this to power them, right? So I have got them till here. If you see, I have kept it here along with a cable tie. So I'm going to connect it to this, and similarly on the other side, one here. So that's the plan, my friends. So I'm going to go ahead, connect it, and then let you guys know how it's doing. And we'll see a demo of it probably at night, to understand how the brightness is. We are done with installing these lights on the bike. So as you can see, this is how it looks. Let's go ahead, start the bike and see how it does, right? And then later, once we take it out on a ride, we'll probably need to align or adjust, right? So that's given anyways. Let's power it on. Not sure if you can make it out, but yes, there it goes. That's the matter. No matter, matter. No matter and matter. That's 40 plus 40 watts for you guys. Super bright. Okay, so we'll wind up for now, and probably I'll show you the brightness of these lights real time on one of the rides at night. Alright then, thank you for watching, and take care of yourselves and stay safe. Thank you.